Are you also in search of buying a laptop for your content creation and also for your gaming? But your budget is not so great and you are still not able to finalize one for you? Then you are in the right place. In this video I am gonna show you top 5 laptops for gaming and content creation under 65,000 rupees. Before starting the video I want to say sorry to all of you for being inactive all these days. Now let's get into the video. As your budget for buying a laptop is under 65,000 rupees, then you should also know the maximum features that your laptop can provide. Under 65,000 rupees laptops comes with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB graphics card, 8GB DDR4 RAM, 15.6 inches Full HD IPS display panel, 512GB SSD, a 1TB HDD plus 256GB SSD. As per AMD, Ryzen 5 4000 series or 5000 series processors. As per Intel, i5 10th generation processors. Now let's categorize the laptops from 5th place to top 1. The 5th place goes to Asus TUF Gaming F15. The model number is FX566LH HN257T. TUF F15 is powered by 10th generation Intel Core i5 10300H 4 cores and 8 threads processor, and comes with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 4GB graphics card. This variant comes with 512GB NVMe SSD and 8GB DDR4 RAM, which allows this laptop to boot and run apps faster, and the RAM can be upgradable up to 32GB. TUF F15 gives you a 15.6 inches Full HD anti-glare IPS 1920x1080 resolution display, and the 144Hz refresh rate screen makes this laptop a perfect weapon for fast-paced gaming. The 48 Wh 3-cell lithium polymer battery gives you up to 6 hours of battery backup. The self-cleaning dual fans keeps the laptop cool and make it dust-free for your gaming marathons. The 3 USB ports and the RJ45 LAN jack makes this laptop easy for connectivity, and the Wi-Fi 6 provides you a lag-less gaming experience. Asus TUF F15 also provides you the desktop-style keyboard, with one-zone customizable RGB backlight keys and highlighted the WASD keys for easy identification. For surround sound experience, the speakers are upgraded with DTS-X Ultra technology. The military-grade toughness makes the Asus TUF Gaming F15 a unique one from other laptops. The price of this variant is 61,990 rupees. The 4th place in my list goes to Acer Nitro 5. Model number is AN51544. This laptop is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 4600H hexa-core 6 cores 12 threads processor, and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB RAM graphics card. Helps this laptop deliver an impressive performance. This variant comes with 1TB HDD and 256GB SSD. With the presence of 8GB DDR4 RAM, which can also be upgradable up to 32GB, lets you enhance the performance of this laptop for fast loading and easy gaming. The 15.6 inches Full HD IPS display with 1980x1080 resolution screen delivers sharp, smooth and blur-free visuals. The 57.5 Wh lithium-ion battery provides up to 8 hours of battery backup. To keep your laptop cool, the laptop has dual fans. The NitroSense keys helps you monitor the thermal temperature, fan speed and lighting, etc. This laptop also comes with 3 USB ports and has Ethernet E2600 and Wi-Fi 6 for easy connectivity. Acer Nitro 5 also featured with the 4-zone RGB keyboard, highlighted WASD and arrow keys for easy identification and quick access. The speakers of this laptop are based on DTS-X Ultra technology, which gives you a good 3D sound effect. This laptop is placed in the 4th position because of its 60Hz refresh rate display panel. The price of this laptop is 64,990 rupees. The 3rd place in my list was taken over by the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. The model number of this laptop is 15ARH05. As like all other laptops in our list, the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 is also powered with AMD Ryzen 5 4600H 6 cores and 12 threads processor. And the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB graphics card lets you have a great gaming experience. The 8GB DDR4 RAM lets you switch smoothly in between the games and heavy workload, and the RAM can be upgraded up to 16GB. The 512GB NVMe SSD usually helps the laptop to boot faster. The 15.6 inches 1920x1080 resolution Full HD IPS anti-glare display with 120Hz refresh rate screen gives you the better visuals and smoother transitions. For long gaming marathons, this laptop comes with 45 watt-hour battery, which gives you up to 6.7 hours of battery backup, and also comes with rapid charge technology. The dual vents and the dual action fans featured in this laptop keeps the system cool and allows you to play for long hours. This laptop comes with 3 USB ports and RJ45 port, lets you have an easy connectivity. The Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 provides a full-size blue backlight keyboard with larger arrow keys. The dual stereo speakers with the Dolby Audio lets you have the better gaming experience. The price of this laptop is 62,990 rupees. The second place in my list was secured by Asus TUF Gaming A15. The model number of this laptop is FA5061H ALO47T. The features and the build quality of Asus TUF Gaming A15 is same as the Asus TUF Gaming F15 except the processor and the Wi-Fi. Asus TUF Gaming A15 is powered by AMD Ryzen 5 4600H, 6 cores 12 threads processor. And it also provides NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB graphics card as well. The laptop is featured with 5th generation Wi-Fi, which also ensures lag-free gaming experience. Except these two features, all the other features of Asus TUF Gaming A15 are same to the features of Asus TUF Gaming F15. Because of its Ryzen 5 processor, it is placed in the second position. The price of this laptop fluctuates in the range from 61,000 to 64,000 rupees. And now the winner in the king of laptops under 65,000 is HP Pavilion Gaming 15. The model number of this laptop is 15AC2004AX. This laptop is powered by the latest AMD Ryzen 5 5600H, 6 cores 12 threads processor. And the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB graphics card allows you meet your gaming and multitasking needs. The 8GB DDR4 RAM, which can be upgraded up to 16GB, and the 512GB NVMe SSD, lets the laptop boot and open the applications faster. This laptop comes with 15.6 inches 1920x1080 resolutions Full HD IPS anti-glare micro edge display, and it also provides the 144Hz screen that helps the gamers experience smooth and sharp visuals. The 52.5 watt-hour lithium polymer battery ensures you up to 6 hours of battery backup. The enhanced thermal solution and the dual fans maximizes the airflow to optimize overall performance and stability. HP Pavilion Gaming 15 comes with 3 USB ports and a gigabit Ethernet for easy connectivity and lag-free gaming. The laptop comes with violet backlight full-size keyboard, and the dual speakers by B&O gives you a rich experience while using it. In my point of view, HP Pavilion Gaming 15 has improved its thermals, and this is the best one for both gaming and content creation under 65,000 rupees. The price of this laptop is 64,056 rupees. The prices of all these laptops changes every day. The prices mentioned in the video are taken at the time of making this video. Try to use the links provided in the description for buying laptops, so that I can get some motivation from it. And subscribe the channel to get all the new updates about tech and DIY crafts.
ए टोनी कशाला थांबलास रे वाजव की